Hello, let me show you all box accessories that we can find on the Poco C85. This one actually comes from European distribution. So in the box we can find this paper, and here we can find the SIM ejection tool. When you open this one, we can find this cable. This is the USB-A into USB-C cable for charging and transferring data. Over here, nothing interesting. This is just guide and the warranty card, safety information, energy information, but also the very good point of this one, here we can find the silicone case. There is flexible, it's transparency as you can see, and here you can find the additional structure, so nice when you touch it, but it catch a lot of fingerprints as you can see. This is the bad side of this one, but it's pretty nice thing. We got this for free. And I know that this is not the box package, but in this smartphone we can find pre-installed screen protection, as you can see. And that's everything that comes in this smartphone in the box in the European version.